This is the dark sphere you see around the sun. In fact, it is an alien technology for interstellar travel. This dark sphere is an artificial gravitational field. In fact, the alien spacecraft is creating a gravitational field to protect from the sun's rays and heat. An anti-heat guard. This anti-heat guard has another feature. From this dark globe, the size of which is the size of Jupiter, you can see how many gravitational strings it has taken out to direct the charged currents and the hot plasma of the sun into its interstellar device. Until the energy from the sun to make a gravitational string from the sun to point B. This gravitational string is similar to wormhole theory. But there are many differences between the two. This gravitational tube is made of space. That is, there is a device that creates space or space in the form of a tube. The spacecraft can travel through this gravitational tube between the stars, like the flow of soda in the straw. In the movie, you saw this black tube that looked like a tornado, which flowed hot plasma like a tornado into the device. The rest of the gravitational tube continues for hundreds of light years in exactly the same way. But creating this black pipe requires a lot of energy, which uses solar surface explosions. Now, because the length of this black gravitational tube is very long, it may pass over a celestial body on its way. For example, this gravitational tube passes through the middle of the sun. The same clip that was filmed from the plane. It shows the same flow. The gravitational spacecraft and black tube pass right through the middle of the sun. Because inside the gravitational tube is another place. In fact, the sun does not exist for the spacecraft. And there is no ship for the sun. But because the environment of the gravitational black tube is in common with the solar system's solar system, you can see the triangular shadow of the spacecraft's gravitational field on the sun's surface. Because the material of the gravitational tube is made of space, you can see that it is absorbed by the sun. You saw it in the first clip. When the spacecraft or dark sphere separated from the sun, a round wave spread across the surface of the sun, like a drop of water falling in the bathtub. That's why, when the ship set out on a long voyage, it left. The artificial gravity of the spacecraft also disappeared, as long as the ship was there, part of the sun's surface.